In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use if node in N8N. The if node is a simple but powerful way to branch your automation based on conditions, so your workflow can do one thing when a rule is true and something else when it's not. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, go to N8N.io. Open the app just like you normally would. If you're already logged in, you'll land in your workspace and be ready to build. You'll be redirected to your workflow editor, which is the canvas where nodes live and connect. Think of this as your control room for building logic. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar that appears, type if, then select the if node from the list. This node evaluates your data against rules you define and routes the execution through either the true or false output. Inside the if node, you'll see a conditions section. Here's where you enter the value or field you want to check. Typically, you'll compare a property from your incoming data, like a number, a string, or a Boolean, against a target value. Keep your rules specific so the result is predictable. Next, select the appropriate data type for the comparison. This matters because 10 as text is not the same as 10 as a number. Picking the right type helps the node evaluate your condition correctly and prevents confusing mismatches. If you need more than one rule, you can add another condition right there. When you have multiple conditions, choose whether they should all be true or if any one of them is enough. That's where you select and or or, and means every condition must be met, or means meeting a single condition passes the test. There's also a helpful option called convert types where required. If you enable this, the node will try to align types for you. For example, making a number like string act like a number during comparison. It's a good safety net when your data isn't perfectly consistent. You can add option to reveal extra configuration if you want to fine-tune behavior. Use this when you need more control over how the if node evaluates and outputs results. When everything looks good, click execute step. The if node will run with the current input and show you exactly which branch, true or false, was taken. This immediate feedback makes it easy to confirm your logic before you continue building. And that's it. You've set up an if node, defined clear conditions, configured types, and tested the outcome so you can confidently branch your workflow logic in N8N.